set up a premiere. We're going to create our video. Let's upload a new video. And for the purposes of this project, I'm going to be uploading something that is not actually going to stay on my channel. I'm just doing this for practice. So let's do this one. All right, so I've uploaded my video. And you're going to put in your title, you're going to put in your description. I'm just putting in something random right now. Upload your thumbnail, add to your playlist, the same way you do for everything else, okay? Then when you go to next, you put in your end screen. All of this stays the same. So you will not get to the point of premiering until the very end when you get to visibility, okay? So we're going to go past this. We have our checks, no issues found. And then when you get to the visibility screen, you have options, okay? Private, unlisted, public. Then when you go down below, you see another box that says schedule. This is where you will be scheduling your premiere. You want to click down and you're going to choose the date and the time that you would like to premiere. So let's say I'm going to premiere on March 30th, and my premiere time that was given to me, let's just say, was 3:43. Now, the time here is based on your local time. So if you are Eastern Standard Time, that's the time you're going to see. If you are Central, whatever it is, that's the time that's here. You put in what goes with your time zone. All right. So let's do PM because I am not premiering at 3:43 a.m. And it's a weird time because if, for example, a group of us are doing a staggered premiere, then the staggered premiere is going to end up giving us odd times because somebody may have a video that ends at 15 minutes, 36 seconds. You need that minute of premiere time for the next video. We want to make sure that nobody's video is overlapping with the person before or after. Okay? You are going to check the box that says set as premiere. And underneath it, when you check this box, you'll get this bubble that says set up premiere. This is how you will set up your premiere. There are options you have for different countdown themes. My personal favorite is, I believe it's ambient is my favorite, but you can choose whatever you want. I will say the most common one is just to leave it as Premiere Classic. That's probably what you see on a lot of other channels when you're watching somebody else premiere. I set that up. I have a countdown option. This is how long this countdown theme will last before my actual video starts. So I'd like to choose a 1-minute countdown. You can choose whatever you want. That 1 minute allows for there to be a buffer between the premiere. So people know it's starting. Let's say I'm premiering at 3:43 p.m. From 3:43 p.m. to 3:44 p.m., this minute countdown is happening. So the actual video starts at 3:44 p.m. However, the live chat is available as soon as the premiere countdown starts, or actually even before. So you set that up and hit save. Once you do that, it is prepared for this time and the premiere is set. And then you just hit schedule. And once you hit schedule, you will see that it pops up in your content. Hopefully, let's see. There it is. My premiere is now set. Okay. Now, I'm not keeping this here because this is not really a premiere for this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this forever. But don't do that. That is just for me because this is not content that I'm actually going to be publishing on this channel. All right. I hope this was helpful and good luck with your next premiere.